my name is Bliss and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the Note 10 Plus 5G, and this empty chair is for our special guest. Okay, yeah, it's for my dad who's going to be helping me with the unboxing.
Hello, my name is Gaurav and me and Bliss will be doing the unboxing of this, as you said, Note 10 Plus 5G. It's a beautiful box.
And I suppose it is Aura Glow because there's a blue pen on the front.
Oh yes, that's a good spot. It's a,
If the pen was black, it would have been a black one.
Yeah.
But it's Aura Glow because it's
So the black Note 10 Plus, right now we are making the video from the Note 10 Plus. So you can see the video quality as well right now. We are using this Note 10 Plus 4G version, the Aura black color, using which we are making this video. Okay, so let's start then.
Yep.
Good. Let's see what is in the box. So I will use the scissor, not for kids. Okay, I'll just gently cut through this.
Yep. Got some space.
Let's see how's the experience.
I'm getting excited now. New phone.
I feel so satisfying removing the packaging and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so you do the honor. Open it.
Okay. Okay. Is it gonna come out?
Not like that. Hold on.
Wait. Oh, what's that? There's a tape stuck on there. It's just holding everything in place. There we go.
If you press it tight, it won't go down.
Oh, okay.
Can you leave it, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we are trying to open the box. So,
Oh,
right.
Beautiful phone.
Let's see what all we get. On this side, you have the phone. We'll come to that in a minute. Let's keep it here. What else we have?
We have the usual
Just the box. I'll keep it aside.
SIM card pin. The pin for the SIM. You know, when you put the SIM inside. Yeah.
Some paperwork inside.
Explaining about that.
What do we got? We got quick start guide.
A
Keep it
warranty
here.
card. And how to transfer content to your new Galaxy phone. Ooh.
Samsung call it smart switch.
Smart switch. I like
These are
that.
the three things. What else? Nothing
Nothing
else.
except the SIM pin.
This
like I mentioned before.
thingy. How can I take it out?
I think you just pull it in like that.
Yeah, got it.
There we go.
So that's the pin. You use this pin to
Put your SIM inside. Where you
take
can
the
just,
SIM tray out. Basically.
yeah, and then put the SIM inside, and then
So I'll put all that.
right here. I think. Yeah, that should be good. And the pen right there.
Okay.
Amazing.
This box can go here. Right. Let's look at the beautiful Aura Glow.
I hope it's good. I hope it's good.
Ooh,
Oh, wow.
This is an amazing phone.
Oh, I like that. It's just so
Wow.
rainbow. It's rainbow.
I mean,
I like it.
what color you like? Do you want a red phone? Here we go. Do you want a blue phone? Here we go. Do you want a green phone? Here we go.
You want an orange, a yellow, a violet?
Here we
Every
go.
color. Even pink is inside that phone.
I mean, I've never seen a phone as beautiful as this one. Have you?
No, I love rainbow things, so I just adore that phone.
I mean, it's so, I'm not sure how you can see in the video, but this is really, really, really beautiful phone. I mean, it feels so great holding it in your hand as well.
Wait, can I hold it?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, wow, it feels so good. Wow, it's just so pretty. Oh, I can see my face. My face is literally rainbow.
It's like a mirror, isn't it? Is it like a
Yeah.
rainbow mirror?
Oh,
And you're
wow.
like a unicorn.
I
Right,
like
so the top bit and the bottom bit of this is silver, which is a bit different than the Aura Black. In Aura Black, you have this side and the top side is all black, but in this case, it's all silver.
And I'm gonna do one little demonstration as well. In this set, we have a blue pen.
Which
In the
looks-
Aura Black, there's a black pen, so like most of it's just black. And this, it's a cool multicolor set with a blue pen, which of course, you know, you'd fit right inside there and just hold it in. There we go.
That's brilliant. So yeah, that's the phone. We'll come back to the phone in a couple of minutes. Let us put it here.
corner of the
Right.
phone.
What else we have got in the box, please?
So let's see if we open this. Oh, we have some AKG headphones.
So we got a
And
fast
this-
charger,
And a fast charger, yeah.
super fast charging, which I guess is it's a 25-watt super fast charger. UK plug. Now this phone supports 15 watt of wireless charging, but this phone supports 45 watt of wired charging. Although Samsung has given you only this 25 watt of charger, but it can support up to 45 watt of super fast
Which
charging.
is pretty impressive.
Pretty impressive. Just to put it in context, until last year, my Apple phone used to support 5 watt of charging. But this is 25, 5 times more than that.
Oh wow.
Right, we got some more thing.
I think
Okay.
that's the USB charger.
That's the smart switch adapter. So you
Oh,
put it
okay.
into this phone and connect your iPhone or any phone with this,
Oh yeah.
and then it will charge.
So we've
Okay.
got the items there.
What else we have got? There's something more inside it.
Why don't you open it from that side? Yeah.
You try that.
Okay. It's the side then. Yeah. There is something.
Oh, some tweezers. I think these tweezers are to change the front pin of your S Pen. If you can see these are some extra front pins, front knobs or points of your S Pen. You
your
can
S
change
Pen,
it.
Yeah. No, you can keep those safe over there. Yeah.
Then you got this. What do you call it?
I'm not too sure wires.
It's a USB-C to USB-C cable, which actually will go into your super fast charger. And another point of this, so let's say you plug this into the power, this will go into your phone.
And if you're wondering what
That's
I'm
how you
doing,
charge your
you
phone.
can see I'm opening out these AKG headphones.
Then you got this smart little adapter, which is USB-C on one side and is mini USB on the other side. So if you got a mini USB cable already in your home, sorry, you can just put it on top of that, and that's how you can just get it.
AKG headphones opened up.
That's brilliant. So rather than just putting any random free headphone in the box, Samsung has decided to put this nice AKG, which is very famous for the sound quality,
And
into the box.
there's these ones.
So that's the unboxing. Yep, let's summarize it. We got empty box, we got a fast charger, we got headphones with some extra grips for your different shape of your ear.
Smart
You got
switch.
phone with that pen,
Smart switch. Adapter.
and mini USB to USB-C adapter.
Yeah.
Tweezers to change the front of the S
S-Pen.
Pen,
And then the pin for the SIM card.
and some paperwork.
Of course.
So that's what is Samsung Galaxy.
Note 10 Plus 5G.
Yay, you did it. Such a long name.
I'm just gonna call it the Galaxy Note 10.
Okay, should we try to switch on the phone
Yeah.
and see how does it sound?
I
of
think
it?
we should take
if
this
you
cover
just
off.
press this button,
Yeah, just press that off.
press and hold.
Is it working?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah!
Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G.
Android.
This is the best thing about a phone. It looks beautiful from the front
And
it looks
from the
beautiful
back.
from the back.
I like that. The camera is pretty cool.
I can see you, Blaze.
Okay, should we take this cover off so we can see?
In a while.
Okay, yeah.
So
Okay.
now it talks about setting it up,
Yeah.
all that.
So we're gonna.
So I don't think we need to do that now. We can do it in another video some other time. But yeah, it's just ask you a few questions how you want to set it up.
Yeah.
I'm going to set it up, transferring my data from Apple to Android, which may take a while. That's all. Thank you very much for watching us. Feel free to put some comment down below in the video. And if you want to know anything about Note 10 Plus, what is our experience with it, we are happy to share that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are very kind people, aren't we?
Yes, I suppose.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. So Note 10 Plus 5G Aura Glow, beautiful phone in front of you. Thank you. Bye bye, please. You take over from here.
Yeah. So this is all the things that we have covered. So any any questions, any comments, you can put down below. And click the notification bell so you can see all our new videos, and please subscribe. Bye!